There's motocross bikes. And then there's a Ducati motocross bike. With the Desmo450 MX Factory, Bologna's legendary two-wheeled gladiator maker has thrown down a gauntlet at the heart of the off-road world, challenging tradition and injecting pure racing DNA into a segment long dominated by Japanese and European dirt specialists. This isn't a cookie-cutter 450, this is Ducati's uncompromising claim to motocross royalty, born on the track and engineered to dominate it. At the core of the Desmo450 MX Factory is a high-revving 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with desmodromic timing, a signature Ducati technology usually reserved for superbikes. Capable of 63.5 horsepower at 9,400 revolutions per minute and a redline at 11,900 revolutions per minute, the engine isn't just powerful, it's insistently aggressive, promising intoxicating throttle response and fewer gear changes between gate drops and hole shots. But Ducati didn't stop at torque figures. Every component screams performance. The bike sits on Showa suspension with dark Kashima and TO coatings, reducing friction and increasing resistance to the abuses of sand, rocks, and whoops. This isn't middle-of-the-pack off-road hardware, its suspension designed to echo Ducati's factory racing machines. The chassis itself is a masterpiece of lightness and strength, an aluminum frame crafted from just 11 elements, keeping weight firmly in check while maintaining rigidity precisely where it's needed. We're talking professional-level finesse here, the kind typically reserved for riders who measure performance in tenths, not feelings. Stopping power is razor-sharp thanks to a Brembo Alpha braking system, offering precise modulation whether you're charging into a berm or scrub jumping across a rut field. These aren't parts, they're the tools of a gladiator. Ducati even equips the MX Factory with Akrapovic full titanium exhaust, shaving kilos off the weight and broadening the torque curve for a more ruthless and responsive power delivery. The net result? A claimed wet weight of just 104 kilograms, 229 pounds, as dare we say it, seriously svelte for a bike of this caliber. The electronics package is equally cutting edge. The Ducati Comlink Wi-Fi module and X-Link app let riders configure riding modes, throttle maps, launch control, traction control, and engine braking straight from their phone. Real-world data like throttle position, air pressure, and engine speed? All at your fingertips to fine-tune your setup to suit your terrain, style, and ambition. And, of course, Ducati didn't forget the details: factory-grade hole-shot device, skid plate, disc guards, lightweight triple clamps, and bespoke Pirelli Scorpion MX tires complete a package that is unapologetically ready for the dirt. In an era where many brands dial back for market comfort, Ducati has chosen bold. The Desmo450 MX Factory isn't just another entry in the 450 class, it's a statement. A declaration that Italian style can go hand in hand with brute off-road performance. And for riders who crave exclusivity, only 400 units for the US, and race-bred capability straight off the showroom floor, this is your new benchmark.